Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to cancel Wise.com subscription. So friends, if you want to cancel your subscription, log in your account by access with your all details such your email address and password. This is the first step. When you log in with your account, go to the account services details. So friends, go to your account services details, go to my service and then click manage your subscription. When you click manage your subscription, you will see this page. As you can see here, friends, you will see this page. Click cancel subscription, and then yes, click yes, cancel subscription. After that, you will cancel successfully without any problem. With your app, go to your app. When you go to your app, you will see this page. This page from app, click on cancel the subscription without any problem. So just click cancel subscription. I hope this guide helpful for your friends. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.